Hi, I'm Canden, owner and COO of DC by Foot. I've always loved history and travel, and for a long time, I thought that meant becoming a history teacher. After college, I quickly realized I didn't want to teach history from behind a desk. I wanted to be where it actually happened. Turns out, tour guiding is the perfect fit. I started out as a walking tour guide and later moved into operations, but you'll still find me out leading tours, especially my favorite, the Lincoln Assassination tour. It's a story that everyone thinks they know, but the real experience is far more suspenseful. I see this unexpected history a lot in Georgetown, which is a neighborhood that I specialize in. My favorite tour moment happened here. I was leading our historic Georgetown walking tour, and I noticed this young couple seemed to be following a similar route to mine. They kept appearing near stops that I was going to, reading something and pointing up at the historic homes. We finally get to the Kennedy house, and the sidewalk's narrow and there's not a lot of space, so we're awfully close. And I realized that what they are reading to guide their way through Georgetown is none other than my book. I have carried my passion for DC history from the streets to the spotlight, with features on the Travel Channel, History Channel, BBC, The Washington Post, and New York Times, and my 4 published books.